Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. You guys know what time it is. We're going to be talking about Hbar. Shout out to the Hbar family, for sticking around and showing love daily. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Continue supporting and you will see a continuation of these daily updates that, obviously I bring you guys. But, Tuesday was an amazing, and I repeat, it was an amazing day for the crypto markets. As you can see across the board going into Wednesday morning, you are still seeing, the overall momentum carrying on. And, specifically speaking, utility projects were the ones that moved up quite a bit. Here we are looking at XRP up, XTC, Algorand, Cardano, XLM, IOTA, Hbar. You guys get the idea. A lot of these utility projects have a lot of momentum, coming towards themselves yet again. So, a lot of excitement, of course, within the cryptocurrency market right now. Let's take a closer look at Hbar, really understand what's happening right now, and of course, what we could be expecting. Looking at the price, it has been able to reclaim back above 30 cents to be exact, 30.6 cents right now. Also up 7.1% in Bitcoin comparative with the market valuation at $11.6 billion and the 24-hour trading volume at about 600 million. So, as far as the 24-hour trading volume is concerned, for Hbar itself, you're still seeing it not, above that billion as we have seen in December and, of course, November. So, of course, that is something that I think will organically change. But, of course, it's worthwhile pointing out. But before we get into any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer. Anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So, the dominance had a complete roller coaster of a day, yesterday. You can see this for yourself. We topped out at 58.73% for the dominance. And, since then, the dominance has been pulling down. And, of course, you guys know the significance of that 58.6% that I've highlighted to you guys several times. I don't want to see the dominance, picking above, the 58.6% mark. And so far, that has not been the case. So, that is nice to see. Of course, while Bitcoin has been on an absolute tear. So, remember, opposite, when Bitcoin is mooning and your dominance is pulling down, this is going to be a great day for altcoins, and that's exactly what happened. And you can see, Bitcoin went up to $97,774 just a few hours ago. Major developments coming out, a lot of excitement coming towards cryptocurrency markets. And as we get closer and closer to the day of Donald Trump coming into the office, as well as, of course, Gary Gensler leaving, I think this is going to really be exciting, for the crypto markets. Even though we have seen major shakeouts over the last few days, but it's part of the game. This is why you want to have patience. I've stated to you guys before, every single update, what do I talk about? Do your due diligence, do your research. If you've done that, then of course have patience. And I'm sure anyone that had their patience and did not get shaken out around this range, you're literally looking at the prices, picking up back, pretty much where we left off of. And what's crazy to me is that the 24-hour trading volume is still at about $500 million, and it's still making these types of moves. So imagine, the amount of buying pressure as to what we have seen in, the month of December, and of course, pretty much throughout the month of November. That type of volume, once that comes in, Hbar could actually start heading up to the yearly highs, and we're starting to see a correlation playing. XRP was able to reach almost its yearly high, but of course major developments coming out for XRP, which of course in favor, and the price is reacting in a positive way. But remember that correlation I spoke to you guys about, these fundamental projects that are fundamentally strong, that have real world use case, are the ones that people literally forgot about in just 2 months back. But here we are seeing complete different interest due to obviously the president of the United States that's backing cryptocurrency, and of course regulation coming towards industry. Now as regulation is coming very close, a lot of investors are, the sophisticated investors are also, strategizing their portfolio towards projects that care about, regulatory compliance, as well as, of course, understanding that, when regulation comes in, it becomes more, regulated, right? And then, of course, this is where the wild, wild west title just completely vanishes. So, of course, utility projects are getting more attention due to that specific factor as well. But you're looking at the price of Hbar making its way back into the 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level, which of course is amazing to see, thanks to Bitcoin, back above 96,000. Of course, the importance of that 96K zone I've spoken to you guys about, on a daily basis, but you are seeing the price, back in the, 0.50 Fib zone. Obviously, we're facing some key resistance right now. If this key resistance is able to break out, I think, Hbar could make its way up to the 33 cents in the next few hours, which is only a move of about 8.34%. Keep an eye out on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin, breaks out of the resistance that we're facing right now, $100,000 Bitcoin could be on the table. And if dominance continues to fall down, this could be a great chance for Hbar to really pick up some steam and start heading towards the 38.2. And after that, guys, you guys know the main target that we're eyeing. So, so far, so good. Consolidation pattern still hasn't broken out. We're still intact. Very, very bullish to say the least, as I've stated to you guys before. But of course, one step at a time right now. Let me know down below what you guys think. What are your personal predictions on Hbar? Where do you see the price of Hbar going at the end of this month? And yeah, if you have not subscribed, or you're waiting for, hit that red subscribe button. We'll see you later. This has been Crypto ZX, and peace out.